So introducing the new Cater-Cook range of gas griddles. So we have these models, we've got them available in LPG and natural gas. They all come with the nozzle to change them from LPG to natural gas, or the other way around if you need to. This range features a 5mm cooktop. We've got 1 burner, a 2 burner, a 3 burner that's 800 wide and a 3 burner that's 1100mm wide. So they have a sloping front there, so it's easy to scrape all the grease off straight into the grease tray, which you can remove, and that's dishwasher safe, so you can put that through the dishwasher if you need to. They've got easy light peizo ignition on the front there. So we've got the 2 burner model here, and we also sell the install kit that comes with it. So with the install kit, it's CKP0242. You get the regulator that goes onto your gas bottle. You've got the high pressure orange hose. This is for LPG installation, obviously when you're using it for mobile catering or event catering and using it outside. You get 2 Jubilee clips, the Fulham nozzle to go on the end there, so it's a 1/2 inch connection, and PTFE tape obviously for making it gas tight. So I'll show you how it's done. So to install the griddles, so you just need to take the safety cap off that it come with, just to sort of keep it clean. So you're going to need PTFE tape to make sure it's tight. And then on there goes your Fulham nozzle. So again, it's a 1/2 inch connection. And we've just got some pipe grips to make it tight. So then you need we're going to put the gas hose on. You get one of your Jubilee clips and you push that onto the end of your Fulham nozzle. So then you just need to tighten the screw on the Jubilee clip. So now to the LPG bottle. So you obviously need your gas regulator for this and the other Jubilee clip. So put your Jubilee clip on, you fasten that end to your gas bottle. And because it's a gas bottle, obviously the thread's the opposite way, so turn it left to tighten it up. So a bit more about inside the gas griddle. So we've got corrugated gas pipe in here. Obviously that makes it a lot more heavy duty. You've got your gas testing nipple there, piezo ignition, so that's there, and the griddle's obviously fully stainless steel. So this is the 2 burner model that we're looking at here. You've got 2 stainless steel burners and they're 2.75 kilowatts each. So it's a total of 5.5 kilowatts for the whole griddle. So the 2 stainless steel burners obviously provide even heat distribution across the whole cooking plate. We stock all the spare parts for these, so you know the general wear and tear items that we've got stock of, obviously available for next day delivery as well. So before you use the griddle for the first time, you need to clean it with a non-abrasive detergent, warm soapy water, just to get all the oil that it's come to protect it. Get all that off first, get it dry, and then you need to season it with your own cooking oil so you can start cooking. When you're lighting your griddle for the first time, there's obviously going to be air in the tube, so you need to depress the knob and rotate to the spark position, and you need to hold that in there for about 2 minutes, only for the first time you light it, just to get all the air out and get the gas coming through. So obviously holding it depressed, and then you can press the piezo to light the burner. So when you've got it lit, you need to hold it for 15 more seconds and then you can release it. So now you can turn the knob to your desired cooking level, so whether you want it hotter or however you want it. So minimum is that one, maximum is that one. So thanks for listening. Don't forget we've got in the range, we've got a small 1 burner one, so it's ideal for like where space is a premium and you can put it in your catering vans, anything like that. That one's just 400mm wide, just a 1 burner. We've got this one that you've seen today, which is 600mm wide. We've got the 3 burner, which is 800mm wide, and then we've got the big one, which is 1100mm wide, and that's still a 3 burner. But yeah, thanks for listening.